Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important and often overlooked topic to discuss: the power of vulnerability, opening up in relationships. In a world that often encourages us to put up walls and protect ourselves, vulnerability can be a game changer in building deeper connections and fostering intimacy. In this video, we'll explore the significance of vulnerability in relationships and share practical tips on how to embrace it. Let's dive in. Segment 1: Understanding vulnerability. To begin, let's understand what vulnerability truly means in the context of relationships. 1. Embracing authenticity. Vulnerability is about being your true, authentic self and sharing that with your partner. It means letting go of masks and pretenses and allowing yourself to be seen as you are. 2. Trust and emotional openness. Vulnerability involves trusting your partner with your emotions, fears, desires, and insecurities. It's about allowing yourself to be emotionally available and receptive to their vulnerability as well. Segment 2: Building trust. Building trust is essential for creating a safe space for vulnerability. Consider the following tips. 1. Communication and active listening. Establish open and honest communication channels with your partner. Practice active listening, show empathy, and create an environment where both of you feel comfortable expressing yourselves. 2. Honoring confidentiality. Respect your partner's vulnerabilities by keeping their disclosures private and confidential. This builds trust and reinforces the sense of safety needed for deeper emotional connection. Segment 3: Embracing imperfections. Vulnerability involves embracing imperfections and allowing ourselves to be seen, flaws and all. Here's how. 1. Letting go of perfectionism. Understand that nobody is perfect, and it's okay to have flaws and make mistakes. Embrace your imperfections and recognize that they are a part of who you are. 2. Shared vulnerability. Encourage your partner to be vulnerable as well. When both individuals open up, it creates a sense of mutual support and strengthens the bond between you. Segment 4: Growth and intimacy. Embracing vulnerability can lead to personal growth and deeper intimacy in relationships. Consider these aspects. 1. Emotional connection. Vulnerability fosters a deeper emotional connection as you share your authentic selves. It allows you to understand and empathize with each other on a more profound level. 2. Growth through challenges. Vulnerability opens the door for growth and healing. It enables you to confront challenges, resolve conflicts, and work together to strengthen your relationship. And there you have it, folks. The power of vulnerability, opening up in relationships. By embracing vulnerability, building trust, embracing imperfections, and nurturing growth and intimacy, you can create a strong foundation for meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Remember, vulnerability is not a sign of weakness but a strength that allows for genuine connections. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.